In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a website in GoDaddy. If you want to remove your website so you can use the domain somewhere else, this process is fairly simple, and I'll walk you through it clearly from start to finish. Before you begin, make sure you're signed in to the correct GoDaddy account, since the website and domain need to be managed from the same place. Once you're inside your GoDaddy account, go ahead and open the main account area and look for My Products. This section is where GoDaddy keeps the services connected to your account, including domains, websites, and marketing tools. Click on My Products to continue. After that, find Website plus Marketing. This is the area where your website builder and related website tools are managed. When you locate it, click into that section so you can access the website settings tied to your domain. Next, click Manage. This will open the controls for the website you currently have connected through GoDaddy. Take a moment here to confirm that you're managing the correct website, especially if you have more than one product or domain in your account. From there, look for the Ask Me Anything option. This is GoDaddy's built-in help or assistant feature, and it can guide you through certain account actions directly. Click on Ask Me Anything to open it. Now you'll be able to type your request. In the message box, enter that you want to delete your website so you can use the domain elsewhere. Once you submit that message, GoDaddy should prompt you to choose the domain or website you want to remove. Make sure you carefully select the correct one, because deleting the website can affect how that domain is currently being used. After you choose the domain, simply follow the prompts shown on your screen. GoDaddy will guide you through the remaining confirmation steps, and once completed, it will remove your website. One important tip: deleting the website does not always mean deleting the domain itself. In this case, the goal is to free up the domain so it can be used somewhere else, so read each prompt carefully to make sure you're removing only the website and not anything you still want to keep. And that's it. Once the process is finished, your website will be removed, and you should be able to use the domain elsewhere based on the next setup you choose.